Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel. And I receive many comments from people asking what kind of module to use in DIY project for making MP3 or Bluetooth amplifier and a cheap module. And it's this one that I'm holding in my hands. It's around $5 and it's 5 watts times 2. It's stereo. Also, it have a micro SD card, a USB, so you can hook up a USB drive. It have a power switch, the USB connector for charging the battery. Here you can place the 18650 battery. There is 2 connectors for hooking up 2 speakers and a Bluetooth receiver, of course, audio Bluetooth receiver. And we have 3 LEDs for indicating that the battery is fully charged, that is charging, and that the module is powered on. Also, we have 4 buttons, which are next, previous, play, and mode. Also, on these 2 buttons are the volume up and volume down. And take a look how easy it is to set up. By the way, this module comes with wires, so you solder the wires to speaker. For example, this I pull out from old TV. I don't need to buy new speakers, and you're gonna attach it very easily, just like this. That is the first step. And now I'm gonna add the battery. 18650 battery. Power on.
Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth mode. Did you see how easy it is? You need to order just the module, place the 18650 battery, attach the speakers, connect the smartphone, and you have a very simple module for MP3 songs, for Bluetooth, for your DIY project, for whatever you want. I must use YouTube library free music, sorry for that. And take a look, it's working. But from the module you can going with the volume up or volume down, play, pause, and what is the mode? I forgot what was it mode. Maybe it's equalizer. Alright. I'm gonna insert the TF card or the micro SD card.
TF card.
TF card. You hear how fast read the songs. Next. Alright. Maybe you hear high tones, but the speakers are dead. They do not have very deep bass. Next.
Bluetooth mode.
Oh, the mode button is for switching to Bluetooth mode or the TF card.
TF card.
TF card. Oh, it's nice. It starts to play where it stopped in the previous time, which is beautiful. I'm gonna remember this song. Pause, turning off, turning on.
TF card.
TF card. Oh, you remember the last song? Nice. It doesn't start from beginning, which is super nice. Off, on.
TF card.
Nice. Love it. And if you want something better, but not this naked module for DIY projects, one of my best amplifiers are these. I have a full video reviews for these amplifiers. This one it's 2 times by 50 watts and DC input voltage is from 8 to 24 volts, and also it have audio input and output, and here on this connector you can hook up the left and the right speaker with the knob on the top. Also we have a push button, and the better one with aluminum case and good looking design, also with big knob and these gold connectors for the speakers. This one works from DC 9 to 24 volts, and also this one have a USB, it have an infrared receiver. It comes together with a small remote like this one. We have an aux and on-off switch. All the links will be in description below, so you can check them, and also you can check the full video reviews of these. Maybe for some of you it's better this DIY module, which is cheap, around $5 US, or these fine amplifiers with cases. I don't know, you choose. Okay, that was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya tomorrow.